Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today in this video, we will be knowing about the forest ecosystem in e-waste management. First, let us see what is forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystems are the complex communities composed of trees, plants, animals, and microorganisms. They play a crucial role in sustaining biodiversity and providing essential services. Understanding forest ecosystem is vital for their conservation and management. Importance of ecosystem. Forests cover about 31% of the Earth's land area and host over 80% of terrestrial biodiversity. They provide essential resources such as timber, fuel wood, and non-timber forest products. Forests also contribute to climate regulation by acting as significant carbon sinks. Types of forest ecosystem. There are several types of forest ecosystem, including tropical, temperate, and boreal forest. Each type of forest supports different species and has unique climatic conditions. Understanding these types helps in formulating effective conservation strategies. Structure of forest ecosystem. Forests are structured in layers: the forest floor, understory, canopy, and emergent layer. Each layer is inhabited by different species adapted to specific light and moisture conditions. This vertical stratification enhances biodiversity and ecosystem functionality. Biodiversity in forest ecosystem. Forests are home to countless species of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. This biodiversity contributes to ecosystem resilience and stability. Protecting species diversity is essential for maintaining the health of forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem services. Forests provide vital ecosystem services including air and water purification. They help in soil stabilization and prevent erosion through root systems. Forests also offer recreational opportunities contributing to human well-being. Role of trees in ecosystem. Trees are the backbone of forest ecosystems, providing habitat, food, and shelter. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, supporting life on Earth. Trees also influence local climate and water cycles through transpiration. Fauna of forest ecosystems. Forests host a diverse array of animal species from mammals to birds and insects. Each species plays a specific role in the ecosystem, such as pollination or seed dispersal. The presence of wildlife indicates the overall health of the forest ecosystem. Soil in forest ecosystem. The soil in forest ecosystems is rich in organic matter supporting plant growth. Soil organisms, including fungi and bacteria, play crucial roles in nutrient cycling. Healthy soil is essential for the sustainability of forest ecosystems. Water cycle in forest ecosystems. Forests play a key role in the water cycle by regulating rainfall and groundwater recharge. They reduce surface runoff and improve water quality through filtration. Forest ecosystems help maintain hydrological balance in their regions. Threats to forest ecosystem. Deforestation is one of the most significant threats of the forest ecosystem worldwide. Other threats include climate change, invasive species, and pollution. Addressing these threats is crucial for the conservation of forest ecosystem. Climate change and forests. Climate change impacts forests through altered temperature and precipitation patterns. Increased frequency of wildfires, pest outbreaks, and disease pose additional risk. Forests can mitigate climate change by sequestering carbon, but they also need protection. Conservation of forest ecosystem. Effective conservation strategies include protected areas and sustainable forestry practices. Community involvement and indigenous knowledge are vital for successful conservation. Reforestation and afforestation efforts can help Restore degraded forest areas. Sustainable forest management. Sustainable forest management aims to balance ecological, economic, and social needs. It includes practices that maintain forest health and productivity for future generations. Certification programs can promote sustainable practices among forest producers. Role of indigenous people in forest conservation. Indigenous people have lived in harmony with forest ecosystem for centuries. Their traditional knowledge contributes to biodiversity, conservation, and sustainable practices. Supporting indigenous rights is essential for effective forest ecosystem management. Ecotourism and forests. Ecotourism provides economic incentives for forest conservation and community development. It promotes awareness of the ecological value of forests and their biodiversity. Responsible tourism practices can help mitigate the negative impacts on forest ecosystem. Restoration of forest ecosystem. Restoration efforts aim to recover the ecological integrity of degraded forest. Techniques include replanting native species and removing invasive species. Successful restoration enhances biodiversity and ecosystem services. Role of technology in forest management. Technology such as remote sensing and GIS aids in monitoring forest health. Data-driven decision-making can improve the effectiveness of conservation strategies. Innovative solutions can address challenges such as illegal logging and land use change. Future of forest ecosystem. The future of forest ecosystem depends on global cooperation and sustainable practices. Education and awareness are crucial for fostering respect and care for forests. A collective effort is needed to ensure the survival of forests and their benefits. This is all about the forest ecosystem. Thank you.